Hello guys, welcome back to our video. In today's video we are going to unbox this mobile phone, and this is Poco C3 guys, which in previous video I have unboxed Poco M3, but this is Poco C3. So this is very good phone, and price of this mobile is 7500, and with this mobile phone you won't receive any case or back cover. So I have ordered the case separately. So first we will unbox this, then after we will unbox the case. So let me take out this. So I have already opened it, and here as you can see the bill price is around 7500. so let me keep it aside, and inside box you won't see anything. Here it is completely sealed with this wrap, and let me keep it aside. So here is our box. Here as you can see Poco branding is here, and here as you can see Poco C3 is written. So here some Flipkart logo, and here they have written India's quality smartphone brand, and here we will see some specification about this phone. So here they have used MediaTek Helio G35 13MP IA triple camera. So here this is the design which they have used, and display is around 6.53 inches HD plus display, and ratio of display is 20:9 guys. And here you will see 5000 mAh battery, which will last you around 1 day or more. If you don't use heavily, then it will give you around 2 days backup easily. And you will see a 10 watts charger in box. So here all over stuffs you can see. Here you will see 5MP front camera, and mine is 3GB 32GB variant. So let us take out this mobile phone. So you will see like this Poco branding same, and almost each and every Poco device which you will see that box will be only in yellow color. So this is the mobile phone. Let me keep it aside, and let me check the internal contents of the box. So here is something. So here you will see SIM eject tool and nothing. So here is user guide. So let us keep it aside, and here is the charger. So this adapter is in black color. So in Poco M2 M3 you will see in white color. So here are the details of adapter. So it is 10 watts, and here is the cable. So cable quality is good. Let me take it out. So I have ordered this mobile phone for my personal use guys, and the cable is around 1 meter here as you can see, and the quality of cable is also good. And you won't see any more thing in this box. You won't see any case or earphones with this mobile phone. So let us take a look at this smartphone guys. So when you take it off from the box, you will see a pre-installed cover. So it is for no scratches, I think so. So here is the design of the smartphone. So there is no any grip at back side of smartphone, so you should use compulsory case. And here is the camera design guys. This is flashlight, and here macro camera and main camera are available at bottom. So here as you can see at bottom you will see a USB port, a microphone, and this is speaker grill. And at left side you will see here power button, volume button, and at the top you will see earphone jack or headphone jack. This is 3.5mm, and here you will see SIM tray guys. So let me show you the SIM. So here is the SIM tray. So here you can use 2 SIM cards and a SD card at a time. And here is the front camera. Here is proximity sensor. So this is the physical overview, and let us take a look at the smartphone. So let me turn it on. So it vibrated. Here as you can see Poco logo. So here you will see I think Android 11 or 10 out of box. So we will go to dark and we will complete the setup guys. So here is extreme light, so you may not see setup screen properly. Here as you can see MIUI it is showing, and here you will see Android. So this is the physical overview, and it will cost you around 7500 or 8000 if you buy screen guard or etc. So here as you can see guys, it is loading, and here as you can see we are on home screen of this device. And let me set the brightness to full. So here as you can see it says meetup something. So let us enter into the settings. So you will see some pre-installed apps here, you can uninstall them such as Facebook, Zilli. And let me open the settings, and in about section, so here you will see MIUI 12.0.7. so this is not latest I think so I have not received any updates till now. So here you will see the storage 9.7 GB occupied and Android version, and in all specs you will see Android security patch level is January. So if you update then you will get latest one, and kernel is also latest 4.17 something. And let us check the Android version. So Android version is 10, which is not latest. So right now Android 11 is latest guys. You will receive major 2 Android updates I think so. And let us take the samples of camera. So let me open the camera. So this is a little bit slow because of 3 GB RAM. So device which I am using is 12 GB RAM one. This is OnePlus Nord. And let me take the samples. Let me take in macro mode. So where is macro? This is. So let me take in some pictures in macro mode. So here you can see the details guys. You won't see any quality related issues. If you zoom the picture you won't lose any pixels here as you can see. And this is also captured in macro mode, and this is with normal camera. So here also you can see the details, and this is the 13MP camera, so you won't see any big details here. So let me delete all of these pictures. So in more options you will see some edit, and here night mode is also available. So in Poco some devices there are not available, and in this device night mode is also available. So there is no any issue regarding brightness or anything else. And if you like this video you can like, otherwise you can dislike, and let me know the reason why you have disliked the video so that I can make changes in my upcoming videos. And take care of yourself and your parents in this pandemic situation. Wear mask properly. And thank you so much for watching today's video guys. Have a nice day.